Hey everyone, so this is a tour of the official WRC aerial filming helicopter. Now that we have some downtime, we can show you what goes into filming those epic shots you see. So at the front we have the shot of a 6-axis gyro stabilized system that houses a camera inside it. It has a 25 zoom and it's run by the camera operator, Bart van Aert. And the camera operator sits right here. This is the camera operator's control unit, and this is what he uses to control the gyro up there. And then in there we have a unit that weighs about 45 kilos, and this is basically the unit that communicates to race control and transmits live broadcasting to millions of viewers all over the world. And it also powers the gimbal and the control unit, and in conjunction with the camera operator we have the main pilot, who sits on the right side and has his own little screen there to see the action. So yeah, basically that's the WRC official filming helicopter.